What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly error you are getting on Windows 10. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First of all, use the shortcut Windows key and R, and in this dialog box enter msconfig and hit enter. This will open up your system configuration desktop application. On this window, navigate to Services and then select Hide all Microsoft services. When this is done, click on Disable all. This will temporarily disable all non-Windows 10 native services. Don't forget to apply your changes. When this is done, the system configuration window will prompt you to restart your PC in order to disable some of the services. After restarting your PC, the error should be resolved for the most of you, and you can re-enable some of the disabled services again. In case the issue persists, then you'll need to run the system file checker. Right-click the Windows icon in your taskbar and select Command Prompt Admin. Here, use the command sfc/scannow. This will take a minute to scan all protected system files and replace corrupted files with a cached copy that is located in a compressed folder on your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.